Are you getting ready to paint your windows? Follow these essential steps to effectively tape the glass and protect your work, ensuring a clean and professional finish. Here I am using a filler knife to cut the masking tape. Always cut the angle towards the middle of the glass. Leave a 1 to 2 mm gap between the tape and the putty. On the bottom left corner of the glass, peel off the tape as shown and stick the bottom tape behind the left, then the left tape folded halfway, so that you can easily catch it when removing after painting. As you can see, tapes peel each other. Easy removal and no more paint on your fingers. One more tip. If you have many glasses to tape, always tape the left and top in series, then the right and bottom as shown.